Windscribe VPN offers a powerful desktop application, browser extension, and Android app combo that works to deliver the safest browsing experience possible. The best part is no name, email, or other personal information is required when creating a user account. Let us see how to connect Windscribe VPN service. First, open the Windscribe VPN Android app and then click on white color circular icon. When it is connected, you will see the connected status on the Android app screen. You will also see a key icon or VPN at the top right corner of the app. Now just open the incognito tab in Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, type My Location and click on search icon. This way you can see the virtual location on the Google Chrome web browser. This is our VPN location now. Now let us change the virtual location in the Windscribe VPN app. In order to do that, first open the app and look for the available country names in the list. Let us say if I tap on Switzerland, then it will show me the VPN servers available in the Switzerland location. Here I am choosing Zurich. You can also add these servers to your favorite list by clicking on heart icon on the left. As soon as I tap on Zurich server, you can see within seconds it is connected to Zurich location. Now let us check this in Google Chrome web browser. I am opening another incognito tab and searching my location in the search bar. As you can see, it is showing Zurich on Google Maps. You can see your favorite servers by tapping on the heart icon of the user interface. Now let us see some other options of the Windscribe VPN app. Click on 3-bar hamburger icon on the top left corner. A new user interface will be opened in front of you. Here, click on Account option. Now tap on Edit Account option at the bottom of the screen. This way, you will be able to customize your user account in a more professional way. Now click on My Account option. The drop-down menu will show Advanced option here. Click on Robot option. You can click on Malware protection and Trackers protection from here. This option is available for pro account users. Windscribe provides Robot feature. This tool blocks malware by default. It can also be used to block specific social media websites, gambling, and even sites that publish fake news, which is a pro account feature. To configure the function, you need to go back to your account and click on Tab. Then you simply have to mark the category of the content that you want to block. This Windscribe VPN feature protects you from viruses, etc. Taking control of Robot is putting yourself completely in the cyber driving seat. Now come back to the Windscribe VPN app dashboard and click on 3-bar hamburger icon again. Tap on connection icon. Here you can enable or disable split tunneling option. Lets you choose specific application that will go through Windscribe VPN and others will not. It also has always on VPN and other useful features. So this was the quick introduction of the Windscribe VPN Android app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.